Hi guys, today I've got for you is a TPMS tyre pressure monitoring system. It is TPMS and it's for your motorcycle. We're going to have a look at it, see what it got in the box and open it up. It's Bluetooth, it connects to your phone, gives you tyre heat and you name it. Let's open it up and have a look. So it comes in a nifty little box with not much instructions, to be honest. I had to Google a lot of it to find it all out, but I'll try and go through it. We'll try and set it up together. There's a bit of information on there. There's a few barcodes to get the app and stuff. Inside you have your two tyre pressure monitoring items. You've got a couple of tools, these to hold it, a little spanner, a couple of locking nuts to lock these on so no one can steal them. So we'll go through it bit by bit and see how it goes. So we're going to fit these. They're marked up RW, real, A and B, A's front. First of all, you put that on your valve. That's a locking nut. Mine's quite awkward actually because it's, I don't get a lot of room on my bike, but just for the purpose of doing this video, we shall do our best. I've got the nut on. And then this, so we'll put that on there. It's quite awkward on mine. So let's get the thread started. Right, you can hear it letting itself down and then sealed. I'll do the nut up in a little while. Another thing I want to show you before we go any further is changing the battery as well. The battery's under here, so you can just pull the back off like that. Yeah, and you get this tool, you put it in there and you spin, sorry, all the way around. You spin it up. The top one actually is for doing it up. When you've got it on your bike, you hold it there, put the spanner in it, that holds that still. The top one has also got grooves, matches the grooves in the bottom. That allows you to undo it, and when you've undone it, inside you use battery and you just pop it out and change it when you need to. Been told they last about 2 years by the company, hopefully. So that's one. I'm not going to show you doing the front one because it's exactly the same as doing the back one. There's a little ridge on that that's got to slide into a little slot there, so that when you put it on it all matches up, and I haven't got it right. There we go. Alright, so that's that one. So I'm just going to do the front one and get back to the front. Get back to setting it up. So, all fitted. I have noticed now that my tyre pressures are very low. It's supposed to be a bit higher than that. So that's what you get. Now when I did mine, you get this menu and the top says binding wheel device. Yeah, you can't do them when they're off the bike because it needs the pressure behind them to activate them. So you can manual pair or auto pair. Yeah, so manual pairing. It will tell you to enter the number. Yeah, there's mine. I'm sure mine's already done it, so auto pair. I'm going to auto scan that one just to show you. It normally takes, they only send out a signal every 30 seconds I think, or something like that, and then they update every 30 seconds or something like that, so it should get a signal in a little while. And hopefully it will work. It was activated a little while ago because I just put in, I'd already put the number in, because you can do it manually. I'll show you, get a little card with your number that you should put on. The other one did take quite a little while actually to pair, so hopefully this one will too. So that one's paired, as you can see. We'll just wait for the other one to pair. I will show you doing it manually. Manual pairing. So you enter the number, so it comes up with tyre number. On one of the pieces of card you get is that. You get front wheel, rear wheel. So this is the rear wheel, so I'm going to put in the code for the rear wheel, which is C03C. C3. So get it right, it'd be good. Right, so that's that. It tells on this, it tells you like that. So mine are at 23 psi, which is quite low, and so I need to change the upper limits and lower limits. It's quite hard to see. That says 46, 49. It's quite hard to actually see the. So if the upper limit, I'm going to put mine at 43, 45. My lower limit, that's 20, I think. Yeah, we'll go with 23, 25. So it's telling me that it's low. Yeah. So that's the alarm you get saying this is lower than that limit. So my rear tyre pressure, I'm going to put that up to 45. Lower pressure, I'm going to put that 25. And you can tell it's telling you what it's doing. You can alarm voice. That's the voice. Is the beep beep beep, and it vibrates as well. Like I said, you've got to have it on. So I'm going to pump up my tyres, and you see this little nice little thing that the tyres go red to tell you that there's danger. You know, to drive it. I mean, my bike's been sitting in a hot shed, so I haven't checked my tyre pressures for. I haven't been on a ride since COVID, so because I've been ill as well. So I hurt my back, so I couldn't ride. So it's been about 5-6 months before I've checked my tyre pressures. So I'm going to do that now. So there you go. Changed it. My front wheel tyre pressure should have been 32 and my rear wheel should have been 40, so I'm going to change the lower values so it tells me. So the front wheel, I'm going to knock it down to 28 8 probably, and the rear wheel I'm going to knock down to 36 or 35, and then I'll always know. Thing is, you'd always have to carry this with you and the little spanner, so pop them in your toolkit and you'll always know when your tyres are going flat, when they've lost air. They do it quite quickly. When I took the valve off, this went crazy. So if you get a puncture and you've got this on display, it's like beep 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 straight away. Mine went off as soon as I took it off, so it was sending a signal quite straight away. So yeah, we're going to try this out. Pretty cool little thing. I can't tell you how much it cost me, I can't remember, but it's I think it was called Motor TMS or TPMS from Amazon, and the app is Harley stuff. It's called GHC TPMS, and when you download this app, it's not on the App Store. It says it is, but I couldn't find it, but I downloaded it from that, and you have to get your phone to allow permission to have an app that isn't recognized by Google. So you just have to swipe across and say allow it, and that's it really. It looks like a pretty good thing. I wonder how long it lasts. I've seen some others on YouTube, so anyway, let's try it out. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and please subscribe. I've got another one coming up soon, another video. That's the tracker when it turns up, and we'll go through that one. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you later.